Hi friends! Do you have pen and paper? You do? Quickly go and get it! Go, 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 go! Today we are going to draw Christmas animals. P-O-L-A-R B-E-A-R Polar bear. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R Reindeer. P-E-N-G-U-I-N Penguin. B-E-A-R Bear. Let's dance. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye! Merry Christmas from Blabina.